Today, I am reviewing the Alliance Chemical Xylene. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to heavy-duty maintenance, painting, automotive work, or industrial shop cleanup, having the right chemical solvent on hand can mean the difference between a flawless finish and a complete disaster. Many everyday household cleaners or mild degreasers simply do not have the chemical strength to break down tough industrial materials like hardened adhesives, sticky resins, heavy grease, or old paint residues. For those demanding jobs, professionals turn to technical grade solvents, and Alliance Chemical Xylene in the convenient 1-quart bottle is a gold standard in this category. Xylene, chemically known as Xylol, is a highly powerful and versatile hydrocarbon solvent widely praised for its fast evaporation rate, excellent dissolving properties, and consistent performance across a massive range of industrial, workshop, and detailing tasks. Let's take an in-depth look into why this specific offering from Alliance Chemical is an absolute must-have for shops, garages, and professional environments. To appreciate the value of Alliance Chemical Xylene, it helps to understand its primary role as an exceptional cleaning and degreasing agent. In manufacturing support and equipment maintenance, machinery parts, tools, fixtures, and workbenches naturally accumulate layers of baked-on grease, heavy cutting oils, and stubborn grimy films over time. Standard water-based cleaners often slide right off these oil-heavy residues, but Xylene penetrates them instantly. It dissolves the molecular bonds of heavy oils and lubricants on contact, allowing you to wipe metal parts down to a perfectly clean, bare state. This makes it an invaluable asset for routine tool maintenance, stripping old protective cosmoline coatings off fresh machinery, or preparing metal parts before reassembling them in a busy workshop setting. Beyond simple degreasing, this solvent is a powerhouse for paint preparation and coating work. Anyone who has ever sprayed automotive paint, applied industrial coatings, or worked with fiberglass knows that the absolute key to a durable, bubble-free finish is surface preparation. If even a microscopic layer of oil, wax, or silicone remains on a metal, wooden, or fiberglass surface, the new coating will fail to adhere properly, leading to peeling and flaking down the road. Alliance Chemical Xylene provides an incredibly thorough surface wipe down. It aggressively strips away old waxes, stubborn silicone residues, and fiberglass mold release agents, leaving a completely pristine surface ready to accept primers, epoxies, or clear coats. Because Xylene evaporates relatively quickly without leaving behind any oily film or chemical residue of its own, it allows you to move seamlessly from the prep phase straight into painting without long waiting periods. The utility of this solvent expands dramatically when dealing with sticky cleanup tasks, such as removing old sealants, mastics, and heavy adhesives. If you are stripping away old weather stripping from a vehicle, cleaning up dried caulking around fixtures, or removing the incredibly sticky residue left behind by industrial tapes, mechanical scraping alone can scratch and damage the underlying surface. Applying Alliance Chemical Xylene breaks down these polymers, turning tough, gummy glues and rubbery sealants into a soft, easily cross-wiped slurry that can be cleared away effortlessly with a shop towel. Furthermore, it serves as an excellent specialized thinner for specific types of paints, varnishes, and synthetic enamels, helping professionals achieve the perfect viscosity for spray gun applications or rejuvenating thickened specialty coatings that have sat on a shelf too long. Alliance Chemical packages this premium Xylene in a highly durable, compact 1-quart bottle containing 32 fluid ounces. While industrial operations often buy solvents in massive 5-gallon buckets or 55-gallon drums, a 1-quart container is the sweet spot for controlled, precise day-to-day workshop use. It is small enough to fit comfortably in a single hand, allowing you to pour exact small amounts onto a microfiber cloth or into a mixing cup without heavy splashing or waste. The rugged, chemical-resistant bottle is engineered to withstand the aggressive nature of technical solvents, ensuring long-term shelf stability and safe storage in your flammable liquids cabinet or tool chest. When working with a professional-grade solvent like Xylene, safety and proper handling should always be a top priority. Because this is a high-strength technical hydrocarbon, it carries a distinct, potent chemical odor and releases vapors that evaporate quickly into the air. Therefore, it should always be used in well-ventilated areas, ideally outdoors or near an active shop exhaust fan system. It is also highly flammable, meaning it must be kept far away from open flames, welding sparks, or hot machinery components. Additionally, because it is an effective solvent for oils, it can easily strip the natural oils from human skin. So wearing chemical-resistant gloves and protective eyewear during application is highly recommended to ensure a safe, efficient working environment. In summary, Alliance Chemical Xylene in the 1-quart bottle is a masterclass in pure utility and professional reliability. By packing immense dissolving power into a highly manageable, durable, and controlled size, Alliance Chemical provides the ultimate solution for demanding surface prep, stubborn adhesive removal, paint thinning, and heavy machinery maintenance. Whether you are running a professional automotive detailing shop, an active fabrication garage, a fiberglass laminating facility, or simply maintaining a high-end home workshop, keeping a bottle of this high-purity xylene on your shelf ensures you are always fully equipped to handle the toughest cleanup and preparation jobs with complete confidence.